with the moves, don't wanna meditate. Girl, would you
Hi, I'm Young and it's time to celebrate. So, chin chin.
fill in the blanks? Text me back.
It's orange juice. I want to keep my video PG. So why am I celebrating? Because it has been already a year with my DJI Mavic Air 2. And how do I know that? Well, I don't keep a counter of, how long I had my drones and stuff. However, there was an email from DJI reminding me or asking me if I want to enroll to DJI Care Refresh Plus. So today I want to share with you guys on all these like DJI Care, DJI Care Refresh, DJI Care Refresh Plus, and so on, so that we can go through together what is the benefit of actually paying for this kind of, insurance program by DJI to see whether it's really worth it or not. So when you buy a product like drone or even like, Pocket or any product from DJI, they actually give you an option at the end of purchase whether you want to get this extra like warranty program. However, if you've already purchased your products, then you do have an option to go under DJI store and then go to services. Oh, and this mobile phone is nicely placed on Zhiyun Smooth Q3. The battery life is very long, so I decided to today use it as a mini tripod. But if you guys do want the review of it, then please check out the previous video here after this video. So back to DJI store, the services area. So you do have about 3 options out there. So one is DJI Care Refresh for 1 year, and the other is DJI Care Refresh for 2 years. And then there is that DJI Care Refresh Plus. So I'm just going to show you guys the US site, but what I usually find is that in the US, usually the DJI Care pricing is a little bit cheaper than elsewhere. So just be mindful about the price, but you don't have a choice. You basically just buy from the country that you bought the original product from. And not all of the countries actually offer, so that really depends as well. So when it comes to DJI Care Refresh 1 year, and it says DJI Care Refresh can be bound to a previous purchased DJI aircraft when it meets these criteria. The product is brand new and unactivated aircraft, and aircraft is activated within the last 48 hours. And for me, when DJI Care is offered, then I will take it. I will actually pay extra to get it, just in case. It's a bit like insurance. If you don't get it, something happens. If you get it, nothing happens. So, in that sense, it really gives you a little bit of peace of mind. So as you can see in the website, DJI Care Refresh offers 2 replacements in 1 year, including 1 chance to use flyaway coverage. When it comes to accidents like water damage, collisions, or missing aircraft, you can have your product replaced for a small additional cost. But I have to say it's actually not a particularly small amount. However, because, for example, like drones are so expensive, it seems a little bit smaller. Like if this gets damaged, by my own mistake, then it's going to be a lot more expensive by the additional cost that you need to pay under DJI Care Refresh. So the first DJI Care Refresh replacement fee for Air 2S, so not this one but more expensive drone, it will be extra $119, and the second replacement is $149. That's definitely cheaper than actually buying a completely new drone. And if there is a fly away coverage, the replacement fee will be $499. Okay, that is expensive, but because you don't have a retrieved product, that's why I guess they're charging quite a bit more. So let's just quickly go through this fly away coverage. So DJI Care Refresh fly away coverage covers situations where aircraft go missing during flight, allowing you to enjoy worry-free flight. So what I did get in the previous 1 year with DJI Air 2 is 1 year of DJI Care Refresh. I should have actually got 2 years, but then I sort of stinged it out, I guess. So now they emailed me to remind me that there is DJI Care Refresh Plus. So in that case, in the US, it seems like it's costing about $59. Other regions, it probably costs about $10 to $20 more. So what does that plus do? So it's only applicable for those devices. So this particular device where you already had DJI Care Refresh for 1 year and you still have one more device replacement left. For me, this drone has been totally safe. It hasn't done any, I don't know, there's no damage. I haven't done any damage to this drone, so I've never used DJI Care Refresh. So everything is still intact. So I never got to actually use DJI Care Refresh, so I'm eligible for it. This device is eligible for it. So what I'm going to do is actually buy DJI Care Refresh Plus just to give me a peace of mind. Because if I don't buy it, something's gonna happen. If I buy it, nothing's gonna happen. So DJI Care Refresh Plus, it offers you the chance to renew your Care Refresh by extending its coverage for 1 more year, as well as 1 more opportunity to replace your DJI product. Furthermore, the warranty period for your product will be extended at least 12 months. So it says that for Mavic Air 2, the replacement fee is additional $59. And if I use a replacement available for flyaway coverage, the replacement fee will be $399. So I feel like, getting a drone is a little bit like getting a car, paying for the car. The cost doesn't stop there, but the costs build up as you get like different insurance, etc. And that's kind of the case for drone as well, although not as expensive as cars. At least for DJI Pocket 2, I did buy DJI Care Refresh for 2 years, so I don't have to pay anything extra for this device. So now I've just purchased the DJI Care Refresh Plus, and in the email they actually say it's been extended for another 1 year. So it's back to back from my previous DJI Care Refresh. It's the exact date is shown correctly. So yeah, I'm good to go. Another happy year with DJI Air 2 to come. But of course, I'll try my best to actually buy more DJI products because DJI does not actually give me products to review. So if you guys have in mind to actually refresh the DJI Care Refresh Plus for DJI Air 2, which is probably coming up for many of you guys, and if you guys also want to support my channel, then please, refresh the DJI Care warranty in the link down below, because that will give me some, little credit for me to actually use it for my next review product for you guys. And for me as well. But it doesn't cost you guys anything extra. So thank you so much, and I'll come back with some other very interesting tech reviews. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!